On June 22nd, a powerful earthquake hit the eastern part of Afghanistan and killed at least 1,000 people. More than 1,500 people were also injured. These people are standing. 7 members of his family has died in this earthquake. Hi, my name is Ray Tagu with World Harvest. The earthquake struck about 30 miles from the city of Khost, and tremors were felt as far away as Pakistan and India. It was very badly hit, and all the houses are destroyed in this earthquake. Last week, our ground staff from World Harvest Pakistan entered Afghanistan and established our base of operation in the small border town of Gayan with a population of 47,000 people. This is significant because no non-governmental organizations are able to easily operate within Afghanistan due to the Taliban rule. Gayan is one of the districts most affected by the earthquake. Many houses constructed primarily of wood and mud were destroyed to the ground. Heavy rain and the earthquake contributed to landslides that destroyed almost the entire area.
Alright, and with that, I start by giving all glory and all praises to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahushai, Bahashem Makakadash, that would honor to the apostles of Great Millstone that we well. And peace and blessing going out to the Akia four corners and the and teach just word in sincerity and in truth, and hopefully let this brother Rab once again from GMS that for the edification for the elect. Alright, and they clearly see here, in prophecies, this is happening all over the world, earthquakes in diverse places. Alright, and you can clearly see, in prophecies is just rampant because it's earthquakes, storms, hails, fires. You see, in Europe, there's kindled a fire in Europe as well. Alright, so we can clearly see that the words of Yahweh Shem Yahushai, is speaking. Say will come back to him none and void. Alright, and we can clearly see that his words and his prophecies is coming to pass. Alright, and we'll go straight to the scriptures. Alright, alright, because this is prophecy. Alright, this is prophecy. This is 2 Ezra chapter 9 and verse 1. It says, and he answered me then and said, measure thou the time diligently, Salakia, in itself, and when thou seest part of the signs pass, which I have told thee before. Alright, because Lord have mentioned, these things from before time, right? And the Lord has declared the ending before the beginning, alright? But you clearly see that, this is what the Lord told us, what is going to happen, what is going to take place, alright? This is what is going to take place. And you go to, I'll come back to 2nd Ezra. Matthew 24 and 3. Matthew 24 and 3. It says, and as he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples come unto him privately, saying, tell us, when shall these things be? And what shall be the signs of thy coming and of the end of the world? And you can clearly see that all these earthquakes and storms, alright, pestilence, diseases, alright, sedition amongst men, uproar of the people, so to speak. Alright, we're seeing these things, happening. Alright, and I'll go back to 2nd Ezra, chapter 9 Right? Verse 2 Corinthians 9 and 2 says, Then shall thou understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will being visit the world which he made. So the Lord already here. Alright? The Lord already here visiting the world. Alright? But we see all these things happening. Alright? Verse 3 it says, Therefore, when shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world, and we've seen that happening. Alright, we've seen that happening a while now, and from France with the yellow vest. Alright, come down, like just trickle along. Alright, all over the world is uproar of the people, uprising against the governments of this world, the kings and rulers of this place. Alright, we've seen that clearly. Alright. Verse 4 says, Then shall thou will understand in the Most High speak of those things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. You understand? Even before the beginning. Verse 5 it says, For like as all that is made in the world had a beginning and an end, and the end is manifest. End is manifest. We are in this time. We are in the times. We are the times at the end. And we can clearly see that, all these things are taking place. All these prophecies, we know that, we in the last days. Alright? And verse 6, it says, Even so the times also of the highest have plain beginnings and wonder and powerful works and endings in effect and signs, and so we can see them. Like my previous video, alright? Hails and storms and all these things is signs of the heavens, right? Signs that the Lord is coming back. The Lord is visiting this place, alright? It's time to get right with the Lord, alright? And not as the Lord, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, alright? Not no idol, not no Yeshua, alright? Or Ahaya, alright? And all this BS, alright? God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai, alright? Exalt his holy name. Exalt his holy name, alright? Because if you don't do that, it's not be a portion, alright? And it's time, tumultuous times that we are heading in, alright? Fearful times, alright? We'll go to the book of Luke 21 and 11, alright? It's a quick video, so just going straight to the point, alright? Luke 21 and verse 11, and great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famine and pestilence, and we see that, famine already on the ball. High food inflations, alright? Livestocks, dropping down, dying, alright? Pestilence. We had a lot of these plagues, right? Alright, we saw leg out, alright. You see the C19, they call me the monkeypox, alright. What next? Alright, the Lord say, He will protect his servants, right? And we will see. We are not ignorant of Satan's devices, right? But all these things, coming from the Lord himself, right? It says here, and pestilence and fearful sights. So we're gonna see a lot of fearful sights, alright? And great signs shall there be in heaven and great Salakia, and great signs there shall be from heaven. Alright? Like on the super moon or the blood moon. Alright? All these things that we see in they tell you sure that this is the coming of the Heavenly Father. Alright? This is the coming of the Heavenly Father. This is the signs that told us to look out for. Alright, starting from the prophets of old. Alright? I'll go back to Matthew. Alright, I'll finish it off here. Matthew 24. Matthew 24 and 3. Alright, and I will read down to 7. Alright, Matthew 24 and 3, it says, and as he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples came unto him privily, saying, tell us, when shall these things be? And what shall be the signs of the coming of the Lord, coming of the end of the world? And Yahushua said unto them, take heed that no man deceive you. For many shall come in my name, saying, I am a Mashiach, and we clearly see that with all these different things that saying that they are a Mashiach, right? And shall deceive many. A lot of them going to be deceived, all right? And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, all right? And we see that the kick off hearing that from since in the Middle East, and then the top countries like Russia, all right, China, Korea, America, all right, seeing that they was on the stage, of on the brink of war, all right. There's not a Cold War anymore, all right. Ukraine and Russia, that is the beginning of World War III, all right, as the scriptures speak, all right. Behold, the third war cometh quickly, all right. You hear of wars and rumors of wars, seeing that ye not be troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdoms, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. All these are the beginning of sorrows. Alright, let me just highlight it. Alright, all these are the beginning of sorrows. Alright, and with that, hope this video was edifying. Alright, and spirit of Bashim Yahushai. Alright, I will give a glory and a praise to Yahweh Bashim Yahushai, Bashim Rokakadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of good men stone that do well, and peace and blessing going out to you came in the four corners of the earth. Preach and teach this word in sincerity and in truth, and hopefully like my storage low. Alright, and with that I say shalom.